How to change language in Outlook. First of all, open up outlook.live.com and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, now in order to change language, navigate to top right corner and click on this settings icon. Under settings, you have to head towards this top left section in your interface and here go to general. And under general, you will have an option to change the language. There is this language option right here. All you have to do is click on this drop down here. Now from the list of the countries or the language right here, you can select your preferred language, and with that your language in the Outlook will be changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.